Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Today we are celebrating the memorial of Saint Clare Virgin. Today our diocese is blessed to have 4 candidates for the diaconate. We ask you, my dear brothers and sisters, to pray for these 4 men who will be ordained today to the order of deacons. We pray for Brother Gerald Aquino, Brother Maximilian Estayo, Brother Darwin Vial, and Brother Lloyd Anthony Pagulayan. May the Lord bless them and inspire them always to become men of service. We have in our gospel today a very good example of generosity. Jesus was asked, or the temple collectors came to Peter and asked him, "Does your master pay the temple tax?" And he answered, "Yes." Then Jesus asked Simon about the reality or authority of God. And here Jesus is telling him that Jesus is also the head of the temple of God. But even if he is not obliged to pay the taxes, Jesus paid the tax. And this is a good example of Jesus paying or supporting the needs of the church. At ito yung inspirasyon natin lahat ngayon, na tayo din ay mayroong obligasyon na suportahan ang simbahan sa pagpapalaganap ng salita ng Diyos upang magkaroon ng matiwasay na pamumuhay ang mga members ng simbahan ng mga nagsisilbi at higit sa lahat sa charitable works ng ating simbahan. Brothers and sisters, as members of the Church of God, we are all obligated to support the church. Sana maging generous tayo na suportahan ang simbahan. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, i-share at mag-subscribe sa Salitawa Facebook page and YouTube channel. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.